Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and let's quickly cover NIOSTOCK. In my last video, I made a thumbnail, oh no, NIO is going to zero. I hope you guys understood that was just, I was being sarcastic and it wasn't true at all. So if you got the joke, great. If you didn't get the joke, I'm sorry, I'm just not gonna put any sarcastic comments on the thumbnail anymore because most of you, I think, just didn't get the idea behind it. But yeah, like I said, if you look at this chart right now, I have drawn this support line and I told you it was going to come over here and hold this support line. And you can see exactly when we dropped over here, it wicked down exactly like I said, and then bulls tend to come up and take the price above. You can clearly see, look at that volume that came in and look at that beautiful candle. You could go into my previous videos to verify this because in the daily time frame we had this, this candle formation, and I told you it was a bullish candle and price can go above this broken support line. Okay, now if you take a look at this formation, I told you that we might see something like this happen, and you can see the price went below, we had strong support here, the price came up. Okay, now it has come and hit this resistance line. Okay, and this looks like this is playing out exactly the way the lines are drawn. So now let's see what can happen, what could happen, and what might happen. Okay, so if you go to the weekly time frame, you can see we have this resistance line. Okay, so now if you take a look at this resistance line, it will come up and you might get some rejection at this point because you can clearly see how much rejection we have over here. I mean support, and then once we break down, came out of it, the price went down. So it makes sense that we might have some rejection at this point. Now, if you see the price okay, now if you see the price go above this level, okay, that's an indication that it's time to be bullish with NIO. I mean, you should still be bullish with NIO because it's an electric vehicle company overall and they have sales. Okay, but now what I see happening with is this. Okay, we can make something of this sort. Okay, now look at this formation. Price came down, it went up, came down, it went up. If we break it, come at least here, okay, at 2284. Even if we come down, maybe this can be the support level, even if we break and come all the way down, okay? I don't mind coming it all the way down to $18 again, because here you can see we are making this beautiful inverse head and shoulder pattern. And you can also see this buying volume that came in. Okay, so whenever you see these kind of candles, that's an indication institutional buying is going on. Okay, and they usually buy at the very top or very bottom. So this is, I believe, that could be the bottom, and I'm just waiting on markets to open and see if we can make something like this pattern, inverse head and shoulder, which is a bullish pattern. And if you take, let's say this happens, okay, let's see if it happens. We have this price target from the top to the bottom, and if we keep and say this is our neckline, you can see it's coming very close to the level, this level over here, right over there, okay, wherever this resistance is. So this can play out in this manner, but we do have these EMAs coming in. Okay, so price might go hit the 20 moving average, the yellow line, and might get rejected. So we have to battle all these EMAs once more. Okay, so once we get them like above them, that's going to be another bullish sign. But in the daily time frame, as you can see, look over. And look at this how beautifully the volume is picking up. This is one bullish indication. Now look at it over here. I told you rejection from the EMAs, rejection from the 20, rejection from the 20, rejection from the 20. Finally, we have closed a candle above the 20. So if it can, maybe on Monday, we can stay above it and break this white resistance line, that's going to be very bullish itself, okay? Keep an eye on this, and we have a lot of resistance levels over here. So if it gets above 23.28 and closes the candle above this level, then that's your indication we are going bull mode again, okay? We're still in bull mode because this was the support. People came in, accumulated at that low, which I've been telling you, okay? Now if you go to the weekly time frame and take a look at the RSI. Look at this RSI. So I told you that we had this resistance from the RSI, and it is coming, the RSI is trying to come all the way up to hit this resistance level. And you can see I told you this is the bottom for the RSI, and exactly that's what happened. The green line, as soon as it came to the green line at 26.27, it took a jump. So this was another indication that I've been telling you about. Now you could just take this another line and draw it over here. Okay, so you can see how beautifully this falling wedge is being created. Okay, so there is a big move coming for NIO. I mean, I know there is fear in the market at the moment, but at this falling wedge in the RSI with the momentum, look at this. You break this, you crack this resistance in the weekly time frame, trust me, you will see fireworks for NIO. Okay, so keep an eye on this, and if you take a look at the stochastic RSI, look at this, it has bottomed out. So if you look over here, right over when the stochastic RSI was here, you can see accumulation was going on, accumulation, and then boom, broke to the upside, okay? So keep an eye on the RSI, I would say, because this is just being created beautifully. This happened, crack to the upside, and that's your momentum, okay? So this is it, guys. This is it for NIO. Hopefully, this brought you some new information, and I'm not gonna put any negative thumbnails again because trust me, it was in a positive manner. I was just being sarcastic, but hit the like button if you like these kind of videos. So if you want me to keep making these NIO videos, hit the like button because that's an indication you are liking my content, and I will keep making them. Okay, thank you so much and have a good day. Bye bye.